Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here working on the Ready Ruffle roll for Dear Julie's April All About That Base Junk Journal Challenge. And what I am starting with is some book page that I've cut into 3/4 inch strips. And the first thing I'm going to do, and I apologize for having my messy mat out here, just trying to, but I need to be able to use it as a grid. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just use some glue, and I'm going to glue my 3/4 inch book pages together to make a long strip. Okay. Try to wipe up my excess glue as I go. So there's one. And there is two. Why is that not the same? Did I cut that wrong? Did I cut these wrong? I'm not sure why I'm having that issue. Regardless, they'll work. Okay. So that gives me, let me measure how long this is. These are tall book pages. That gives me a little over 31 inches. So I'm good. Okay. So then for mine, I have, let me gather this stuff so you can see what I started with. I've got some packing paper, I've got book pages, I've got music pages, I've got pattern paper, and those I cut to 1 inch wide. So I've just got a whole stack of them. I think I've got far more than I'm going to need. And then I took them to my sewing machine and ruffle sewed them. Let's see, this one I'm going to go ahead and cut off a bit. And then what I'm going to do, and I think for this, since there is a little bit of thread on there, plus my Fabri-Tac doesn't grab it quite as quickly, so I've got time to move it. So I want to glue this on. So I'm just going to run a bead of glue down the book pages that I glued together. And I'm just going to glue them right on top. And you can see when I sewed them together, I just grabbed, like, here we've got one book page, then I've got some packaging, then I've got some pattern paper, then I've got some music paper, more book page, and that is exactly how I'm doing it. Then it's got backing on the back, and this book page paper that I'm using is from an art book. That way I know it's got clean text in it. so that if I wanted to cut part of this off and use it, say, as a tab on a tag or something, I could without worrying about what's on the other side. Okay. So, and that's I mean, this is going to be a really short video because that's exactly how I'm going to do it. Now, you could, as Julie has shown, you could do the same thing without a sewing machine. I hope I'm in camera frame. I never have much luck with this method, which is why I'm just sewing it. Yeah, see, for whatever reason, I do not have much luck with this method. Maybe, but you can do something like that and just make your ruffle without sewing it. For me, this just never works very well. I get very frustrated with it. But with a little bit of practice, you could probably get a really good ruffle out of that. That's just not since I have access to the sewing machine, that's just the way I prefer doing it. And it goes really quickly. I mean, if you cut your strips of paper first and then just line them up, like here I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips. I could have kept going, but I wanted to show you what I was doing in a quick video. So that is going to be my ready ruffle. And in my next video, when I've got it completely done, I'll show you the rest of it. But the ready ruffle is very quick, very easy. And you'll have it done in no time. So until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.